What is up, all my investors of the Shadine? I'm back again with another Shinance video breaking down the complex financial world for everyday people like me and you. And today we got a special guest. Say what up to him, Rasta.
What's up, guys? This is Rasta Stocks, the one and only Rasta Stocks. You hear me? The one
Yeah,
and only, the dude with the bucket hat. All
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I'm here today with Shinance, aka Shaddaipenamgmt, aka my brother from another mother. You
Yeah.
feel me? Top of the morning to you, broski. And we gonna talk about our favorite friend, Canopy Growth,
Canopy growth.
aka marijuana stock. So, you know, this stock is currently trading at $28.16 a share. And it is up 4.65% as of market closing. And guys, what I could say about CGC, it is the number one marijuana stock you could possibly put your money in. You could leave it in there even when the market is bleeding, even when it's a bloodbath, and don't worry about it. Honestly, I'm kinda like that myself when we had like the bloodbath the other day that I didn't buy into any, but at the same time I was sticking to my trading strategy because I'm looking at other plays. But definitely Canopy Growth is a stock that I have, and it's a stock that I'll continue to dollar cost average in. When I say dollar cost average, I mean DCA, just to abbreviate it. And listen, I honestly see this stock hitting about maybe
Talk to him.
$50 a
Talk
share.
to him.
I
Talk to him.
honestly, that,
Yes.
and, and honestly, I won't be surprised. I won't be because my state that I'm in, Shadai's already know my state, the Big Apple, you know,
Sure.
legalize the recreational use of the herbs. Okay, so you feel me, people. So I'm very stoked about that. When the day when I found out the news, Shaddai was one of the first person I called, and he said, "Yo, I know you're stoked, right?" I'm like, "Yes." And a few other states legalize marijuana, and pretty soon, if all states lean towards legalizing marijuana and it gets pushed on the federal level, it's going to reach all time highs. And anytime a state legalizes marijuana, it reaches to all time highs, guys. So, listen, I ain't going to go on rambling anymore about canopy growth. I would love to talk about it, but I'm going to let Shinance educate you guys about it. And if you like Shinance, just let me know if you are interested on joining my YouTube channel, Rasta Stocks. The floor is yours, my brother. The floor is yours.
Yeah, so I appreciate you, Rasta, for sharing your thoughts on Canopy. As many people that watch my channel know, I've been a fan of Canopy. I've said a lot of great things about them. And like I always say, they are the Nike of the cannabis industry. Like they're number one. Number one. Can't doubt about that. Yes, when you look at their financials, it doesn't all look perfect. Yes, they're trading a lot higher than their EPS. I understand that part of it. Like they don't look good on paper. They may not look the greatest on paper, but they see themselves being profitable. I think is 2022, 2023, which is pretty quick for this cannabis industry. There's not many companies that cannabis companies, let's say, that are going to be seeing profits in that quick of a time span. So I think that it's still at a very good price, like you said, Ross. The $50, I think that's a very fair number. Right now, trading at 28. They recently got a price target of $36 from one of those bank analysts. So I mean, I'm not a financial advisor. Take what I say with a grain of salt. But if they're getting price targets at 36 and they're at 28, There's already opportunity for you to make money there, like off the bat. Like so, it's really, I don't know. This seems like a no brainer to me. Maybe it could be bias of me. Their trading volume today was a million over what their 10-day average is. So there's definitely some heat kicking up on this Canopy stock, and of course, we never want anybody to miss out on opportunity. And this is just one of those moments where we're giving people an opportunity to make some. I don't want to say money because it can always go down. But it's an opportunity to invest in a company that's going to be here, and like Rasta said, more states are going to be legalizing marijuana, especially for the tax revenue. So make sure y'all pay attention to Canopy Growth. I'm not going to go on anymore either about Canopy Growth. I've had plenty of videos. We spoke about it plenty of times, but we just had to give y'all a quick reminder. So I appreciate y'all watching. If you learned anything, I hope you learned to hit the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Rasta's channel. Show love. Say what's up in the comments. It's very important. It's very helpful. That's how you really, truly support us. So, Rasta, you got anything to say before we head out?
Bro, you dropped some fire, some knowledge to the masses, and I'm sitting back and observing and listening. We are not your final answers, nor your financial advisors. Subscribe to Shaddaipenamgmt and subscribe to Rasta Stocks. Peace. I'm out here.
Follow me on Instagram at shaddai.